Mziwa kwa NTU, House of NTU. Who are you? You are NTU or NTU, that is who you are, that is the name that describes you. That name has a specific meaning, hence it is not replaceable. You are not a black, black is a color. Your skin color is Nsandu in Ngoni language and not Nyama, black. Some Asians and other nations have a similar color. You and them are different, so the color does not describe you. You are not an African either. Africa is a name given to a continent by foreigners. You are NTU before they named the continent Africa, and you are still NTU today. You are Bantu, we are a Bantu. You will learn from the content of this book that a name is very important. What you call yourself is very important because it has a bearing on your future and how the universe responds to you. One of the signs of mental slavery is you accepting what you have been branded by others and neglecting who you truly are. It is time for you to reclaim yourself. Call yourself by your name so others may also know who you are. Change starts with you. No one else can describe you except yourself. They can give you all the names they so wish, but you are the only one who knows who you truly is, and it is time you let everyone know who you are and not allow anybody else to tell you who you is. The truth is that you are the most powerful being of all beings under the sun, but you just do not understand yourself. You are like an eagle that has grown amongst chickens. You can see your wings are wider and stronger, but chickens can't fly, so you continue confining yourself to scratching the ground when you can soar to the highest peak. You can get everything you want, but only if you understand your power and how to use it. The reason you have not been able to access your potential is because information has been hidden from you and used to manipulate you and keep you in the dark. Those who have the information know that they have no power over you, so they hide you from your true self. The true reason for your oppression is to keep you too busy with mundane day-to-day materialistic stuff so that you do not have time to explore and understand your true self. It is in knowing thyself that you will unlock your true potential. Once you know yourself, you will realize all that which you desire is already there, you just do not know how to access it because you do not know how your body works. All you have is potential. It is up to you to exploit your potential, to channel the direction of your life, or to continue to allow your direction to be influenced by your environment without your participation. This holy scripture aims to refocus the Bantu diaspora. The Bantu diaspora are not those living outside of Africa. There were Bantu in Asia before those we refer to as Asians. There were Bantu in America before those we refer to as Americans. The entire world is home to Bantu. Bantu diaspora are those living outside of Bantu culture, those that have adopted foreign culture as their own, regardless of their physical location. This holy scripture is meant to assist those who wish to come home, those who wish to learn more about themselves but do not have the information to do so. The operative word is wish, as we all have our different times to awaken. So far, information about yourself has been from foreigners misleading you into believing that we are all equal. We are not. All information is also available to you from inside of you once you know how to access inside of you. Everything about you is already in you,